I'm Holly Anderson and I'm from Buffalo, New York. I want to share with you a Buffalonian favorite. It is a Kimmelweck roll. Anderson's Frozen Custard makes these by the dozens every day for our loyal guests. What you need is a Kaiser roll of your choice. You need a bakery glaze and the salt and seeds. The caraway seeds are the secret to a great Kimmelweck roll. And I'm going to show you how to make this. You spread the glaze on. If you don't have one of these great brushes, a wadded piece of wax paper works. So you spread the glaze on the roll. Then you take the mixture of the salt seeds and you sprinkle it on. I've done this by pouring. I've done it in a spoon. Sometimes when we make a lot of rolls for a family occasion, I'll get a bowl and I will be dunking them in face down. There you have it, a Kimmelweck roll. Now you bake that off at 350 degrees for 2 to 4 minutes. And I do have some all ready to come out for you to see. Our baked Kimmelweck roll. One of our favorites is roast beef on wick, all natural roast beef at Anderson's. A family favorite is barbecue beef on Kimmelweck.